This is the best recipe ever for ripe plantains, the Gizdodo. Stay tuned to the end. Let me teach you how to make this yummy goodness. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. For your ingredients, you need gizzard. You also need ripe plantain, bell peppers. I'm using the yellow and the green bell peppers. We also need Scotch bonnet peppers and purple onions, of course, and some curry leaves, dried thyme for seasoning our gizzards, and also curry powder, salt to taste, seasoning cubes, and vegetable oil for this meal. Wash and cut your gizzards into small pieces. Also cut your ripe plantains into small pieces as well. Then roughly blend Scotch bonnet peppers and onions and keep aside. Slice your remaining onions and also keep aside. Then chop your bell peppers and also keep for this meal. And then wash your curry leaves and slice into pieces too. In an empty pot, we're going to be cooking and seasoning our gizzards. We're going to just add onions, seasoning cubes, curry powder, and the thyme, dried thyme into our gizzards, and we're going to be cooking this till well done and tender. Then we put aside and start making our Gizdodo. In a hot oil, we're going to be frying our plantains. We're not going to add salt to it. We're going to fry till golden, not golden brown. Then we bring out and set aside while we also fry our gizzards, our already cooked and seasoned gizzards. We'll fry it till it's also fried, not too dried, but dried in a way not too dry that you can't eat it. Then we also remove it from the hot oil and set aside while we get ready to do our final stage of the Gizdodo. When we're through with frying everything, we're going to bring another bigger saucepan, and from the oil we used to fry the plantains and the gizzards, we're going to add a little bit oil to the pot, not much. Then we add in some of our sliced onions. We fry till dried. Then we add in our curry powder, fry some more in the pot while we now add in our roughly blended Scotch bonnet peppers and onions into the saucepan, and we fry some more till it gets dried a bit. We'll continue to fry this. Then we start adding our seasoning cubes, pinch of salt. I like adding my salt pinch by pinch. I wouldn't want to cook salty food. Then we stir more, make sure it's dried, and we taste and it's okay. Then we add in back our fried plantains and also our fried gizzards into this oil. Then we turn and stir for a while for the pepper to enter inside. Then we add in our bell peppers. These bell peppers are always so nice. It has this nice flavor that makes our meal so good. Then we add in some more remaining sliced onions. I sliced mine big so that it could add that color and also flavor to our Gizdodo. Then I added in back some curry leaves. This curry leaves really adds a wonderful flavor. Try yours. Don't forget to add in curry or any other leaf that has flavor wherever you're staying. So that is all about Gizdodo. It's so delicious, and I ate mine with boiled rice. Thanks for watching. Check out my other recipe videos on my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.